I'm hoping that you all are having a good profitable days and doing your proper analysis, not getting biased with the news, and working on your strategies well. I will also make a video on crypto. Please type crypto, interested crypto. I will make a detailed video of how I could build a strategy or how I could build the account with proper focus within about week to 10 days. There are simple ways of doing it. It's a very volatile market. It's a very profitable market. There are, of course, a lot of risk involved. There are how to withdraw, how to deposit, how to make profit, and avoid. I wouldn't say avoid tax. How to manage taxes. Everything we will. But I want maximum number of viewers and you know people typing crypto interested. Okay, now coming to the Indian market. Let's see how the market is. If you see the chart, very simple. Market has taken, Bank Nifty has taken a good support at this level. Okay, let's see. No. Okay, so if you see the chart also, it is, of course, it is. If you see, Bank Nifty has been a sell and rise. If you see every time it comes here, it is tried, of course, to go up. There is a strong bullish, strong wick here. Bulls took over, and then you see a selling happening every time, right? Very simple. No? There's nothing complicated about it. This simple pure price action. I'm not talking about any indicators. No indicator can tell you this. Indicator cannot tell that price try to here and move down. It cannot anticipate moves. Ah, ah. Next, if you see, the pattern is a channel down. So that means every time if you see here, I sell here, I buy here, or every dip I try to, or every rise I sell. This is what is happening in Bank Nifty. My next important levels are if price sustains above here, or even if it comes here, I will look for selling. If it goes below this, then I'm more sell. Okay, I'll repeat for you. Below this level, I will look for selling. If it retest, I'll sell. If it retest, I will sell more. Okay. If it crosses from below or whatever it does moves up, I will look for buy. But here again, I look for sell. If price is able to sustain above this level, I'm bullish. Okay. Having said that, let me tell you what I'm expecting. Okay. I'll make it very simple, more simple for you. I am expecting this to happen. Okay. I'm expecting an upside rally in very simple terms. If Bank Nifty was bullish or rather was on the upside, which should have been by now, okay, Nifty would have been typically heavily strong. Let's see now Nifty. I'll make this blue because this is my buying zone. Okay, if you see the charts here in Nifty, it is almost near the all-time high. It's not almost, it is almost, but if you see here again, let's see the uh, wait, let's see the charts. It's very congested, of course, but if you see here, the pattern is like this, correct? pure price action, no indicators. Prices come here, goes up, sell, goes up. So it is upward biased. Bank Nifty was like this, correct? So to be precise, we can also say Bank Nifty has been pulling, right? Right? This was what the pattern we saw in Bank Nifty. Okay. Now that means to say I am bullish on Nifty, or rather, Nifty is showing bullishness. Very simple. There's no doubt. Pattern is upside. However, there is selling pressure on the top. This blue line, if Nifty sustains about 24,960 above, then I'm strong bullish. It's going to be a very important zone. If it sustains above this, again I'm bullish. Again, so Nifty can get also trapped in this. However, if Nifty comes below this, I can think of strong bearishness. 24,130, right? You can remember this now, so you can take a screenshot of this. I'll pause the video for a minute. You can take a screenshot, you know the levels there. Okay. What is my view? Okay. My view is definitely Nifty will try to go up here and may not go up or may not, but try to come down like this. Okay, you can take a screenshot of that also if you want. So both are in a little different direction. But if you see the both the this thing, if you see the FIs have been buying. So if you see the data, FIs have been buying, correct? FIs have been buying daily, day-wise. Every day they are buying. So they are pretty bullish. So remember one thing, I don't go by this data. No, just because FI bought in equity, am I going to be bullish? That is sheer illogical. How much has FI have sold? FI sold more than 1 lakh crore equity, correct? If they are daily buying, when did they sell? They sold on every rise, every down move. Now they are buying 3,000 crores, 2,000 to 2,000 on an average. Have they bought everything? They are just buying on the dips. They book profit. Now they're buying. They're averaging, or rather, they are just refilling themselves. They have not. They what did they sell? They were not unhappy with India. No, they were just taking this out and putting elsewhere. They keep rotating it. You cannot go by this data. You will have to go by charts. You have to go by global practice. You have to look at what market is doing. There are a lot of adjustments will happen. Correct? Market keep on going up. And how is it possible? If you see simple example, take HDFC. What is happening with HDFC? Right? It is upside. It is upside. Right? Very strong upside. Correct? But however, every time it comes here, it has been selling. Every time here, now they strongly took it till here. But again, there will be bearishness. So though there is upside, there will be resistance. There will be people who are booking profit. So this is all adjustment which keep happening. You have to buy. You cannot expect market to keep going up or coming down. Both has to happen. Okay. So all this. Okay. Coming that to that, I was talking about FIs, right? Big buy equity. They bought at a lower level or whatever. Now they sold at a higher level. Now they're just buying it few quantities. But until they completely buy that 1 lakh crores which they had in the Indian market, right? Till which they had earlier, right? It was there in the market. or maybe more, then we can be strongly bullish. Now coming to yesterday's movement, if you see yesterday's bank nifty, strong bullish. Nifty, Nifty slightly bullish, but upside bias. Of course, yesterday had to go up because there was good news, correct? But can you see a very simple thing which has happened? Market also is so well planned. Exactly at the trend line, it had opened down, correct? Opened down, took support and went up. Now we didn't observe this. Whoever is studying daily may have observed. I didn't do it yesterday. Now that I am doing today. But if you see Bank Nifty, also almost the same thing, no? Where's Bank Nifty? Ha, at the trend line support. So market is so very well designed and planned. If you do a daily observations on the charts, everything is visible there. At least lot. Now let's come to the stock picks which I am having today. I'm looking at Jubilant Food. Okay. I am looking at Axis Bank. I am looking at Dr. Reddy's. I'm looking at Hind Petrol. I'm looking at Trent. I'm looking at Cipla. I'm looking at Divis Lab, HDFC Life, SBIN, DLF, Paytm. These are going to be intraday picks. In these, at least 2-3 will definitely hit 3 to 5%, which is good. So I will have my levels. Of course, I've already prepared the levels and shared with our supervisor because everything is pre-planned. So this is what it is, but I'm just sharing you. You can do your analysis. Please do your analysis. Don't go by what I'm saying. Okay. Go through Jubilant Food, go through Axis Bank, Dr. Reddy, study and then plan. Okay. If you want me to give a if you want me to uh, give a small guidance, I will definitely place to comment in the inbox. Plan for stocks. Okay. I'll give a simple, easy strategy which I initially used and simple. So this is it. Thank you so much for joining. I hope the channel has been helpful. Please share your views, comments. I'm not able to do every day because it takes time, preparation, and execution. So I'll try doing it regularly. Good day to all. God bless you. Take care. Love you. Bye bye.